Hello everyone, Secret Super Chef is back again. Today's recipe is stuffed capsicum. No, they're not stuffed with potatoes, but a secret ingredient. So let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, we'll need the smaller size of the capsicum. Slice the top part of the capsicum and reserve it. Using a knife, cut the white pit and discard the pit and the seeds. Repeat the same process for all the capsicums. Let's prepare our filling. In a bowl, take very finely chopped onions. Use a chopper. I've taken a large onion with 4 green chilies and salt as per taste. To it, add 6 tablespoons of Bikaneri Bhujia Sev. This Bikaneri Sev is as it is spicy, so I'm not adding any dry spices. But if you wish, you can add dry spices as per your taste. I've added half a cup of chopped coriander leaves too. Gently stir everything together. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Our filling is ready. Let's stuff our capsicums with this filling. Stuff the filling tightly inside the bell pepper. Fill them generously. This filling goes pretty well with other bell peppers too. Place the top of the capsicum back on it. Using a thick thread or a string, tie all the capsicums. Make sure you secure them tightly so that our filling does not pop out. Similarly, tie all the capsicums. Let's do the tempering. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil, add few curry leaves, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Fry till our seeds crackle. Now gently place our capsicums in the pan. Cover and let them get fried. You need to keep turning them in between so that we fry all the sides. Fry them on slow flame. Fry them till they are nicely charred from all the sides. But make sure they are not burnt. Using a scissor, cut the threads and discard them. Look at our beautiful stuffing. It's nicely cooked. Slice the capsicums and place them in a serving dish. Set aside. Now the final touch is to prepare the dahi tadka. In a bowl, take 1 cup thick curd. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Whisk the curd thoroughly, making sure it's lump-free and smooth. Do not add any water or milk to the curd. In a small tadka pan, heat half a teaspoon of oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add few curry leaves. Add 1/4 to half teaspoon red chili powder. Stir everything together. Now add the tadka to our curd. Stir it. Sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Give a quick stir. Now let's get our serving dish where we had placed our capsicums. Discard the stem and also place the top part of the bell peppers in a plate. Now generously pour the dahi over our capsicum. Adjust the seasoning as per your taste. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy this dish as an appetizer or in main course or a side dish. I hope you'll enjoy this dish. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.